Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing with you how to spot profitable trading opportunities in crypto markets. The cryptocurrency market moves fast, and if you want to make profits, you need to know how to spot the right trading opportunities. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding market trends, technical indicators, and fundamental factors can help you maximize gains and minimize losses. So, how do you find the best crypto trades? Let me show you as we go on. Number one, follow market trends and sentiments. Follow market trend and sentiment. It's like you are in a river and then you want something to float on the river. Don't put it, the river is flowing in this direction. Don't go and put what you want to float in this direction and expect it to flow back like this. So if the river is going in this direction, whatever it is you want to flow in the river, put it at this end so that it will flow with the river. You understand? So if the market is uptrend, then look for opportunity to trade uptrend. If the market is downtrend, look for opportunity to trade the downtrend. Don't trade against the market. So how you follow market trends and sentiments before jumping into a trade? Check the overall market trends. Check the monthly, check the yearly, check the monthly, check the weekly, check the daily, check the 4 hours, check the 1 hour. That will guide you to know where the market is going. On the yearly, is going south. On the weekly, on the monthly, is going south. On the weekly, is going south. On the daily, is going south. On the 4 hour, is going south. On the 1 hour, is going south. So what do you need to do? You need to go south also. So sometimes the yearly may be going north, the weekly may be going south, the daily may be going north, while the 4 hour is also going north. So that tells you that if you are going to wait for 1 year, this is where it's going. If you're going to wait for this one, this is where it's going. If you this within 4 hours, this is where it's going. So that will guide you to know the direction you're going to go. So if in 30 minutes is going south, but 1 hour is not, 4 hours is not, then you know that that south of that 30 minutes is either a sign of a reversal or it's a retracement that is still going to continue again. Now, so before jumping into a trade, check the overall market trend. Is the market in a bullish upward or bearish downward phase? Then how do you identify market trends? Use moving averages. If the price is above the 50-day or 200-day moving average, it's a bullish trend. If below, it's bearish. You see, when I started trading Forex, the person that taught me Forex, the two indicators he taught me was the moving averages and the MACD. And I tell you, I was trading, I was making money. Then later on, I started looking at other signals here and there, all sorts of signals. And I started moving out. I left the moving averages alone and left what he taught me. And what he taught me, I was good with it, but I left it. So what I'm trying to tell you is that moving averages is a major one. I will enter it 30 minutes, 1 hour, and I will enter it When you cross something cross, I will enter. And then I will get out again. When you cross this way, I'll enter it. But it's best in a ranging market. So you look at Bitcoin's performance. BTC often dictates the overall crypto market direction. Then check fear and greed index. This indicator shows whether the market is in extreme fear, buying opportunity, or extreme greed, possible correction. Then sentiment analysis also is what you should check. Then for this one, you follow crypto news, big announcements, regulations, or adoption news can move prices. Then check social media trends. Platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram can reveal what traders are discussing, and that will help you to know what to do. Then monitor whale activity. Large wallet movements often signal incoming volatility. Then number 2 is that use technical analysis, charts and indicators. Technical analysis helps traders spot entry and exit points. Here are some powerful tools. Key technical indicators. Number 1 is support and resistance. So people even said once you can trade with support and resistance, you don't need any other thing. This is also another powerful tool. Just some people said don't draw any line, just leave the chart the way it is. Just look for the support and look for the resistance. When they get to the support, they buy. When they get to the resistance, they sell. If you break the resistance upward, they buy. If you break the support downwards, they sell. If it's bouncing up from the support, they buy. So that is all they do. And they just do that. They have their trades going for them. They watch, and they watch for the support and resistance, and they look at it 4 hours or 1 day or 1 hour, and then they look at it, and then that's all the trade. So support and resistance are levels. These are price zones where crypto tends to bounce or break out. Then we also have the relative strength index, RSI. An RSI below 30 means a coin is oversold. That is, if it's oversold, you have oversold it. That means selling has taken place too much. So the next thing is for buying to come in. So when you see that the RSI is below 30, then you should know that it's preparing to buy. But that one, you also can look at it, look at the support. Is it in the support section? Then you should be preparing to buy. While above 70 means it is overbought. If the RSI value is above 70, that means it's in the upper part above 70. Then look at the resistance. Look at the resistance. Is it in the resistance section? That's another one. Then that can help you to confirm it. And that means at 70 it is overbought. That's potential sell. Then MACD is another one, moving average, convergence and divergence. This helps identify trend reversals, just like moving averages we do. Then we also have Bollinger Bands. This shows price volatility. A squeeze often signals a big move ahead. So when the Bollinger Band is wide, that means not much. But when there's a squeeze, the Bollinger Band is squeezed, that means it is likely to go down and widen up down, or it's likely to go this way and widen out because it's squeezed at this end. So when it's squeezed, it will not continue to squeeze, it will widen up downwards or upwards. So that is what they use Bollinger Bands to do. And there are other things that they use it to do also. Now, what is the trading tip for this number 2? If a coin breaks above resistance with strong volume, it is a bullish signal. If it falls below support, it may keep dropping. Now, let me go on to look at number 3. Look for breakouts and volume spikes. This is the third way for you to make profit in the crypto or forex world, or even in the stock trading world. So look for breakouts and volume spikes. A breakout happens when a coin moves beyond a key resistance level, signaling strong buying interest. However, not all breakouts are real. Some are fake outs designed to trap traders. How to confirm a breakout? Check trading volume. If the breakout happens with a high volume, it's likely real. If a breakout happens and the candle is so small candle, no, that's maybe a fake out. But if there's a breakout where it's supposed to be resistance, a breakout with a big candle, it's going to continue. So that big candle may swallow the other selling candle in 3 places, so or even in 2 places. That means it's a strong one. So also use candlestick patterns. Look for bullish patterns like bullish engulfing, morning star, or hammer candles. Then you look for pin bar and thereabout. Then set stop loss orders. Always protect your capital in case the breakout fails. Now let's look at number 4, which is that watch for major events and news catalysts. I'm making this video now on a Saturday, and yesterday was the first Friday of the month, and of the month of April, and there was NFP, and before then, President Donald Trump mentioned tariff hike in the U.S., and you know that affected the U.S. All the currencies, all the stocks, it affected U.S. stocks, it affected peers in the forex linked with paired with U.S. dollar. It affected crypto, all the crypto linked with US dollar and every other thing. In fact, it even affected oil, energies, and anything linked with US dollar. So watch for major events and news catalysts. Big events can cause price surges or crashes. Always stay updated. Profile profitable trading opportunities from events. Crypto listings. Coins often pump when listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Then also partnership announcements. A major partnership can boost investor confidence. Then regulatory decisions. Positive regulations can attract new money. Negative ones can cause panic selling. Then protocol upgrades and halvings. Events like the Bitcoin halving, which took place in 2024, or Ethereum upgrades, can drive long-term gains. Bitcoin halving took place in 2024, and since then, many people have predicted that there's going to be a major move in Bitcoin. That time, Bitcoin was in the range of $60,000, and they were saying, if you have money, go and buy Bitcoin. If you have money, go and buy Bitcoin, because every 4 years, there's halving. Most people that have the resources, they yielded. Bitcoin rose when it was time. It rose from that was after like 6 months to 1 year. It rose from that $65,000 to $100,000 in the space of 4 to 3 months. So that is the power of halving. So and information. So every time there's halving, there's going to be a great increase in the price of that coin. So now you have to set Google Alert for important cryptos and follow CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Twitter for updates. You can also check forexfactory.com, foreststreet.com, and many others that have forex calendars, and you look for the major news each day and you follow them. And you can also get updates on this platform every week. I'm going to be bringing you updates basically on Tuesdays. I'll look at analysis of the market. I was surprised that the analysis I did this last Tuesday, it went very, very well, as I postulated for about six forex and crypto pairs. Then number 5 way to make profit from crypto is for you to use fundamental analysis. That's long-term growth potential. Not all coins are worth trading. Make sure the crypto project has strong fundamentals before investing. How to analyze a coin's fundamentals. Use case and real-world adoption. Does the coin solve a real problem? Development team and roadmap. Are the developers active? What updates are coming? They also look at the tokenomics. Check supply, demand, staking rewards, and inflation rate. Then community strength. A strong and engaged community like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana can drive long-term success. Never invest in a coin just because of hype. Always do your research. Number 6 is set your entry and exit strategy. Risk management. That is risk management. A winning trade isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about managing your risk. How to manage risk effectively. Use a stop loss order. Set stop loss to automatically exit if the price drops too much. Then take partial profit. Don't wait for a moonshot. Take profits in phases. Then never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, so if you're not careful, you can lose a lot. Now, stick to the 2% rule. Never risk more than 2% of your capital on a single trade. Sometimes I risk up to 3% because I cannot allow trade that to be going to my stop loss and then it will reverse. So sometimes I risk more than 2%. Number 7 way you can make profit from the crypto space, crypto trading, is to join trading signal groups and learn from experts. If you are new to trading, joining a trading signal group can help you learn profitable strategies. Where to find crypto trading signals? Number 1, Telegram and Discord groups. Many professional traders share their signals daily. Then on YouTube and Twitter, follow trusted analysis for market trends. On this channel, I bring you trusted analysis from time to time. Then FX and Crypto Signals Hub. That is on this YouTube channel. That's the Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. I provide expert trading tips, signals, and analysis to help you profit. Don't follow signals blindly. Always double check with your own research before making a trade. Start spotting profitable trades today. Finding profitable trades on the crypto market or on the forex market or on the stock market requires knowledge, it requires patience, and it requires strategy. By using technical and fundamental analysis, monitoring news, and managing risks, you can maximize profits. Are you ready to start trading smarter? Subscribe to Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel for daily market updates, trading signals, and expert insights to help you profit in crypto trading. Then turn on notification so you never miss a profitable trade. So this is where I'm going to stop. On this channel, I teach you how to make money and how to make money online and how to make money offline. If you have enjoyed this content, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and this video that is popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to go ahead and watch now. So what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead and watch this new video right from my channel. You'll be glad you did. Bye for now.